When we work with equation of a circle, I find that the standard form is actually more helpful because it gives us an easy way of extracting the coordinate of the center of the circle as well as the radius of a circle. So I'm referring to this form. So there could still be times where we are required to convert standard form to general form, and the general form is this. All right, and for those cases, what we need to do is actually just, as you can see on the screen, basically to expand x plus 2 square and y plus 3 square, rearrange a little bit, and then ensuring that the right hand side equals to 0, and then generally just adhere to the form for the general form. All right, so I'm not going to elaborate on that. Instead, I'm going to spend a bit of time, all right, on this general form to standard form, which allows us a way of finding the coordinate of the center of a circle as well as the radius of a circle, right? So in order to do this, first I will actually rearrange the terms a little bit. So x squared plus 4x first, all right, and then y squared plus 6y, and then subtracting 2 on both sides, I'm going to put the 2 on the right hand side, and then that's going to give me a right hand side of -2, right? Next, I will proceed on with the computing of square. So I will compute a square for this and this, right? And so we will have x squared plus 4x plus 4 over 2 square minus 4 over 2 square, right? Then plus y squared plus 6y, then plus 6 over 2 square minus 6 over 2 square equals to -2. So since this is not a lesson on computing a square, I'm not going to elaborate on the technique of it. All right, and then next, what I will have over here would be x plus 2 square, and then minus 2 square is 4, and then plus, this is going to give me y plus 3 square minus 3 square is going to be 9, right, equals to -2. And then next, I will have x plus 2 square plus y plus 3 square. And then when I add 4 and 9 on both sides, then I am going to get -2 plus 9 plus 4, which is 11. All right. So actually from here, we can easily find the coordinate of the center of the circle. So if we were to set this to 0, all right, x equals to -2, and then also set this to 0, and then y equals to -3, all right, and so therefore the center of the circle would just be -2, -3, all right, and then this is actually r square, right, and r equals to square root of 11. Of course, you can evaluate that, and also of course we ignore the negative square root of 11 because basically radius has to be positive. All right, so that concludes this very short video about how to convert between the standard form and general form of the equation of circle.